Listen carefully as a mother talks with her daughter about her roommates. Repeat the conversation to practice speaking and pronunciation. Then choose the correct reply for each question.
Hello, dear. I hope I'm not calling at a bad time.
Not at all, Mom. I was just taking a short break.
Good. Tell me, how is life with your roommates these days?
It's quite interesting, actually. Each of them has a very different personality.
That sounds like a mixed group. How do they get along with you?
Mostly well. One of them is very cheerful and keeps the atmosphere light.
That must help after a long day.
Definitely. Another roommate is extremely disciplined and likes everything in order.
I imagine that required some adjustment.
Yes, at first it was difficult, but now it helps us stay organized.
And the others?
One is quiet and thoughtful. She prefers reading or listening to music.
A calm presence can be comforting.
True, we talk about studies, food, future plans, and sometimes even personal worries.
That means you trust each other.
We do. We don't always agree, but we respect each other's space.
That's an important life skill.
Living with them has taught me patience and understanding.
I'm happy to hear that. These experiences help shape character.